Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a PST file into Yahoo Mail using the simple and reliable tool called MailsDaddy PST to Yahoo migration tool. If you have an Outlook email saved in a PST file and you want to move them to your Yahoo Mail account, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First, let me explain in simple words that what is PST and why migration is needed. A PST file is a data file used by Microsoft Outlook to store emails, contacts, calendars, and other mailbox items. Many users want to switch from Outlook to Yahoo Mail, but Yahoo does not allow direct PST import. So that's where this tool helps by safely transferring Outlook PST data into Yahoo Mail without data loss. The MailsDaddy PST to Yahoo migration tool is designed for users who don't have technical knowledge. So you don't need any Outlook installed. You don't need manual step, just follow a few clicks and your email will be moved to Yahoo Mail. Now I will show you how the tool works step by step. First, open the browser and search PST to Yahoo, or you can go this web address MailsDaddy PST to Yahoo migration. First, download the tool. For that, click free download and install it. Here you can see the download will be getting started, or you just follow the on-screen commands. Once the software is installed, open the software and you will see a clean and simple interface which is very easy to understand. Now, if you have a valid license key, enter the serial number and activate. Otherwise, continue with get demo. Please note, in demo version, you can only export 20 emails per folder in demo version. Here you can see the activation key was registered successfully. Now, once the registration key successfully installed, the software automatically reopen. Now, just click on the open file and select the PST file. The tool allows you to add single or multiple PST file at once. After selecting the PST file, the software will scan the PST file and load all the emails. Once the scanning is complete, you will see a preview of emails and folders. You can click on any folder and read emails before migration. This helps you to confirm that the correct data is loaded. Now click on the migrate button and select the folder whom you want to export. I'm continuing with all. Enter the email and app password. If you don't know how to generate app password, click on this link. It automatically finds the server. You can also filter out the data by using this date filter and select the destination path. And in last, click on migrate button. Here you can see the migration process is getting started. You can also abort the process by click on them. The tool will now begin transferring emails from the PST file to a Yahoo Mail account. You can see the live progress report on the screen. Once the process is finished, you will get a success message. Here you can see a pop-up shown that the migration is complete successfully. Click OK. Now let me show you how to migrate only selected emails from a PST file to Yahoo Mail instead of moving everything. This feature is very useful when you want to transfer email based on sender, subject, date or a specific folder. Please note, for this feature you need a valid license to export filtered data. Click on the search button and select the folder. Now you can filter out by from, to, subject, has the words, date, range. So here in the subject, you can mention DPR and click on search button. Here you can see the emails that DPR mentioned. Simply click selected emails or click on this for select all emails and just click on the migrate button, enter the email and app password, select the destination path and click on migrate button. The tool will now transfer only the select and filtered emails from the PST file to your Yahoo Mail account. That's it. This is how you can easily perform filter PST to Yahoo Mail migration using the MailsDaddy tool. Click OK. Now in the last, let's see how you can check the migration status and history after the process is completed. Once the migration is finished, go to the migration history. Here you can see the complete details of the migration such as migration time, date and time, PST file name, user email, total migrate, total, how many mail transferred or not, mail migrated emails and skipped and failed items. All this information helps you to confirm that your data has been migrated properly. And the last thing, every migration there is a log file has been created which you can open here. All the details related to your migration process has been mentioned here. If some emails were not migrated successfully, don't worry, simply click on the retry button. The tool will attempt to migrate only the failed emails again, saving your time and effort. Here are some important features of this tool. No Outlook installation required, support large PST files, also maintain folder hierarchy and safe and secure migration, and the tool GUI is for beginners where you easily migrated, no need for technical knowledge. So this is how you can easily import PST file into Yahoo Mail using the one of the best tool, MailsDaddy PST to Yahoo migration tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Also link in the tool and guide is in the description below. Check it out today. Thank you.